Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Alternator Toyota Tacoma full guide. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable and removing the engine cover where present, then loosen the belt tensioner and slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Unplug electrical connectors and remove mounting bolts, keeping track of hardware. Compare the old unit to the new one for correct fitment before installation and proceed in reverse order to finish. Start by ensuring the vehicle is secure and the battery negative is disconnected, then rotate the tensioner to remove the belt. Unplug the alternator wiring harness and take off the main power nut using a socket with a long extension. Support the alternator as you remove the mounting bolts to avoid drops or damage. Keep fasteners organized and compare the removed unit to the replacement before proceeding to installation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy during DIY days and keep your feet happy under the truck. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you have questions, drop them below. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new alternator and start all mounting bolts by hand to ensure proper threads, then torque them to the recommended values. Reconnect the main power terminal and plug in the wiring harness, making sure connections are clean and tight. Refit the drive belt with correct routing and relieve the tensioner to apply proper tension. Reconnect the battery negative, start the engine to verify charging output, and inspect for unusual noises or warning lights.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.